Welcome back, friends, to Average Joe's Barbecue. On today's episode, we're going to be doing a smoked cranberry sauce, homemade of course. Stay tuned, you're not going to want to miss it. Welcome back, everyone. So this is a very simple recipe and will definitely up your cranberry game, your side dish game, at your Thanksgiving meal time this year. And it's very simple and it's just absolutely amazing recipe. So let's go ahead and get started. So here I have 2 Gala apples cut into chunks, okay? And here I have 1 bag of cranberries. This is 12 ounces here. So we'll go ahead and get that in there. All right, and then here we got half a cup of orange juice. We got a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Break that up. We got about 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, and this is essentially nutmeg and cinnamon and allspice mixed together. This will definitely give it, this will put it over the top, so absolutely recommend this 100%. And here we got about 1.5 teaspoons of butter. Once you have that all in there, just start incorporating. Get it all mixed in well. Oh, this smells good already. There's nothing like this time of year. I always have great smells of the season, and this is absolutely one of them. All right, now that we have that mixed, we're going to go ahead and transfer it to our cooking dish. Just like that. And this dish is going to allow more smoke to flow over the top and impart more of that smoky flavor into this. So let's go ahead and head over to the grill. I'll see you over there. Welcome back, friends. We're here at the Grill Silverback today, where we will be running this at about 300 degrees and we're using the apple wood. Let's get it inside. So we're going to plan for about an hour cook on this. Now you're going to want to be stirring every 20 to 30 minutes along the way, just to make sure you're mixing it well. As those cranberries and apples start breaking down, they're going to mix together, and you just want to make sure you get everything nice and uniform. So plan for about 20 or 30 minutes between stirs. I'll bring you back about 30 and we'll check on the progress. Stay tuned. Welcome back. It's been about 30 minutes at 300 degrees. Let's give it a check. Yeah. Close up on that. It's simmering. Smells really good. All right. Starting to break down. For another 30 minutes and we'll bring it back, so stay tuned. Welcome back, folks. So we've been in here for about an hour at 300 degrees. Let's give it a check. That looks really good, folks. Smells really good. All right. We'll go ahead and get this pulled and I'll bring you back for the reveal. Stay tuned. Welcome back. We've got this pulled. Get a close up on this. This smells really, really good. All right, we'll give it a taste test. Cheers, folks. That is really good. Wow, that is amazing. A little bit of smoke. Get a tart, tangy, the cranberries, a little bit of sweet of the sugar. Folks, this is really good. If you want to step up your game, over the top cranberry homemade recipe, smoked of course, highly advise you make this part of your dish this year. If you like what you saw here today, folks, consider hitting like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Take care. Thanks. That's a horrible shot. You're getting the leg in it. There, that's probably good.